First, we'll open the glove box. Notice there are two tabs. There's one tab right here and the other tab right there that we have to pull out. We will gently grab both tabs and then slightly pull them outwards one by one. Once both the tabs are pulled out, notice the complete glove box just falls apart. Right behind the glove box, notice there is that position for the cabin air filter. What we'll have to do is press this tab right here just like that and then pull it outwards. There it is, the cover is out, and right there is our filter which we have to pull out. Just like that. Now in my case, the filter is brand new, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure on the corner there are some arrows. Those arrows should be pointing towards downwards. Now we go ahead and punch this back where we took it out from. I always punch in the left portion first. Once the left portion is in, then we punch in the right side, making sure the filter is all the way down. There it is. Once the filter is all the way down, then we'll go ahead and punch in the cover. For the cover, we punch in the left portion first. Notice there's that tab. Just like that. Once the left side is in, then we go ahead and punch in the right side. There it is. That cover is completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this glove box. Notice the glove box has these kind of tabs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these tabs have to go into these positions right there. So I'll go ahead and punch them in that position first and then push them all the way in. There it is. Once the glove box is in, then we'll just go ahead and slide in the glove box upwards. Just like that, we got both the tabs also completely in. Now we're good to close the glove box. With that, we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.